There's Sigfús, Heiða, Gummi, Auður, Sæmundur, nice people, people I like and love to work with. The people working on gathering the sheep are mostly farmers. Here in Skaftártunga, where we are, we have 20 farms. So we have 20 people gathering for the first week. I represent Hrífunes, which is a farm my friend Sigfús, the king of the mountain, is hiring. And I made an agreement with him to herd for him for the next 15 years. So I have 8 or 9 years left. And then I'll just probably continue until I can't go anymore. I'm a director for a nursing home with 113 beds in Reykjavík. That's my main job. The tradition in Iceland is that the farmers in end of June, they put all their sheep in the highlands and they let it stay there for 6-8 weeks just to eat the wild grass and herbs. And then in the beginning of September we go to collect them from the mountains. I found out 7 years ago that I wasn't feeling so well, and a big part of that bad feeling was how much I was drinking. You need to divert your energy and your enthusiasm into good things. I wasn't doing that before, not as much as I should have. These trips into the highlands, they gave me much more than I really knew, and it was really important for me. Everybody has their role in collecting the sheep or getting the sheep from the mountains. There's no complaining that somebody doesn't want to do this or can't do that or is tired or something like that. All the 20 people who are herding the sheep stay upstairs in one big room. It isn't a problem with snoring and things like that because everybody is so tired they fall asleep when they hit the pillow. Of course, nothing will actually happen if I don't show up next year, but I hope they will miss me. I'm much closer to the tradition, and I'm really thankful for the relationship that I have with the farmers here in Skaftártunga, because these people, they have quite a different view of the land and the Icelandic nation. It's so very important to be satisfied in your job, and you can't be satisfied in your job if you are either overworried or overworked.